One of the fastest growing jobs in Indiana is CNC operator programmer. A lot of guys that used to do it are retiring and disappearing from the workforce, so we need to train the next generation. And one of the ways we can do that is with this new piece of equipment. This is a HAAS VF-1 production style mill. So that allows us to have automatic tool changing capabilities and run a mill that they would see in production. Currently, the two we have down there, those are more tool room lathes, smaller operations, good for a small mom and pop machine shop, but this one is what they'll see in actual production environment. It may be bigger, but this is a good base level for what they'll see. So it's got a new next gen controller from HAAS, as well as automatic tool changing capabilities. So we're excited here because now we keep training the next generation workforce.